Loading cargo. Condensate cargo loading. When loading condensate, it is possible that the tank parts will rust and valve sealing will be damaged. NYK has the following guidelines for its fleet of ships when loading condensate cargo. 1. Condensate cargo must not be loaded into the same tank on 2 straight voyages. 2. Condensate cargo must not be loaded on undocking voyage. 3. Condensate cargo must not be loaded on maiden voyage. For cow of tanks that have discharged condensate cargo, coating of bulkheads with another cargo oil must be done. Cow with condensate must be prohibited because of unexpected rise in tank pressure.